Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101, a beginner's guide to earning passive income online. In this video, we'll cover the basics of affiliate marketing and how you can get started on your journey to financial freedom. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You become a middleman, connecting customers with the products they need. Here's how it works. You find a product or service you believe in and sign up as an affiliate. The company provides you with a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. But how do you actually promote these products? There are various ways to do it. You can create a blog and write helpful product reviews, or you can leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to reach a wider audience. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that you can start with little to no investment. You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model. However, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a solid strategy. Find a niche that you're passionate about and choose products that align with your audience's needs. Building trust with your audience is key. Remember, honesty and transparency are crucial in affiliate marketing. Disclose your affiliate relationships and only promote products that you genuinely believe in. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity and trust your recommendations. As you start generating sales and earning commissions, you can scale up your efforts. Experiment with different marketing techniques and stay updated with industry trends. Never stop learning and evolving your strategies. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income online. It allows you to build your own online business without the hassle of creating products or dealing with inventory. Start small, be patient, and watch your income grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom.